Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Cuphead multiplayer on PC Parsec. Only way. First, install Parsec on both computers and sign in, then enable hosting on the host PC and configure controller pass-through, set resolution and performance preferences, and confirm Cuphead runs smoothly locally before inviting your friend to connect via Parsec. So you both join the same hosted session with minimal lag and reliable controls. Now we walk through connecting players in a friendly way that a friend could follow. The host opens Parsec, starts hosting, and shares the session with the guest, who then connects and selects controller or keyboard input. Adjust Cuphead control settings so player 1 and player 2 use separate devices, and test a short run to verify input, audio, and video quality are stable before launching into full co-op fun. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a book that changed how I think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with long gaming sessions where you plan your next upgrade. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here are practical performance tips to keep co-op smooth and enjoyable for both players. Reduce the host's game resolution or the Parsec stream quality if you notice stuttering, use wired Ethernet when you can, and close background apps to free resources. Also consider limiting the host's upload bandwidth and enabling hardware acceleration in Parsec settings so frame rate and input responsiveness stay consistent during intense Cuphead boss fights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.